Judge handed down a ruling in favor of students pulling up their sleeves.
This is all when it comes to vaccinations. 13 News reporter Sarah Davis joins us now to break things down. And Sarah, this case is interesting because it actually involves a student who learns virtually.
That's right, Amanda. Merely, a federal judge has said that now students who learn online should also comply. That decision comes from a case filed in 2024 before the State Board of Education's vote to uphold mandatory vaccines for West Virginia students. A student in Upshur County was attending a public state virtual school but wasn't in compliance with vaccine requirements and was asked to disenroll. The student's parents asked for a religious exemption and pledged the First Amendment, saying the vaccine requirements infringe on their First Amendment rights. And when the school system said they could not issue that exemption, the case went to court, first in Northern District Court. The judge ruled in favor of the student and her right to not be vaccinated. The Upshur County Board of Education then appealed that ruling to the United States Court of Appeals Fourth Circuit. And just yesterday, the court ruled 2-1 in favor of the school board in the state's vaccine law, reversing the previous ruling. In the written opinion, Judge J. Harvey Wilkinson III said West Virginia's vaccine mandate is rooted in public interest. Judge Wilkinson said, quote, "Rights, as important as they are, do not swing free and clear of the larger social compact. We live in a society that accords its citizens enormous benefits. In return, states can, in a measured way, require certain actions and accommodations to the broader social interest. West Virginia's compulsory vaccination law does exactly that. It is a legitimate exercise of the state's power to protect the health and well-being of school children." This case is one of many that has been argued in the past few months across West Virginia since that State Board of Education vote. And as for the Upshur parents, they can do one of three things: accept the ruling, request a rehearing, or take it to the United States Supreme Court. Reporting live in studio, Sarah Davis, 13 News.